Hi everyone, it's Lorrie. I figured I'd go ahead and, since I was going to paint today anyway, that I might as well go ahead and record it and make a little video out of it for you guys. I'm going to use today Mermaid and Purple Twilight by Ranger, and like almost always for me, some of the Pinata Brass by Jacquard, and my 91% isopropyl alcohol. One thing that I was actually thinking of yesterday that I should have mentioned is when you're working your inks, don't think of it as, you're just pushing the ink here and there. Paint with your air. Whatever your air source is, if it's a straw or a blow dryer or a heat gun, whatever, use it the same way that you would a paintbrush. Try to gently move the paint where you want, the ink to move where you want it to go. That's the best way I can think of to describe what I do, is I'm painting using air rather than using a brush, which seems pretty obvious, but I had never thought about it in those terms until just yesterday, in fact, that's actually what I was doing, was painting with air. So just something to keep in mind when you're trying to move those inks around, rather than trying to kind of force them where you want them to go to. Try to guide them gently with the air rather than getting all upset and trying to force it, because these alcohol inks truly do have a mind of their own, and there's only so much that you can do to get it to where you want it to go. I don't know how many times I'll go back over and over the same spot every now and then, trying to, fix something that probably could have been left alone to start with. And I usually just end up messing it up. I should have just let the ink be and let it go where it needed to go, rather than trying to force it to do what I wanted it to do. So once again, there's another little rambling comment by me at the beginning of the video. So I'm going to get started, and I'll see you guys on the other end. so here is the finished product. Trying to give you a little look at how some of that brass spread out kind of in little veins. I love it when I can get it to do that. It's really difficult to show you with this really terrible lighting that I have in here. Maybe that was a good enough look anyway. So I'm pretty happy with this one today. I know my last one I said I wasn't real thrilled with, but this one I'm a little bit happier with. I don't know, I have a hard time liking my own artwork a lot of times. All I see when I look at it are what to me look like mistakes that no one else would ever notice in a million years. Before I go, really quickly, I just wanted to say thank you so much for you guys that had subscribed to my channel already. I mean, this sounds silly since there's people who have 10 million subscribers, but I got up this morning and I had 20 subscribers when I just started this yesterday. So I've got to tell you, I was just super excited. So as long as people are interested and I'm not getting on your nerves too badly, I will keep on filming these paintings that I'm doing every now and then and posting them for you guys to see, and hopefully it'll help you along your own journey in this process. Everybody have a great day. Bye.